Look at BLUBOO Xtouch and let me show you how to activate the unknown sources on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick security, which is under location. Scroll down a bit and here you'll notice unknown sources over here. So if you would like to allow installation of apps from unknown sources, just click on the switcher. And as you can see, your phone and personal data are more vulnerable to attack by apps from unknown sources. If you agree, just tap on OK. And that's it. Now unknown sources are turned on. If you would like to switch it off, just click on the same icon one more time, and now installation of apps from unknown sources will be impossible. So that's it. This is how you can enable unknown sources and then disable them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.